we are at Riverhawk. My brother-in-law Matt is super excited about this jerk chicken coming up. He can't stand it. Matt?
What's up?
That was good. So we're gonna film this whole exchange of Matt going to get the best chicken wings in the state of Florida at this moment right now.
I mean, debatable. We don't know. I've been waiting 2 days for these chicken wings, though.
So let's see what's happening. Stay tuned. Let's keep going.
They're here, though, right?
He really wants these wings. He's prepaid for them.
061. If they don't come till midnight, I will still eat them.
This is ridiculous. He wants these wings so bad.
I love it. Dude. If it's chicken wings with that sauce, I'm fine.
It's ridiculous.
I just gotta eat it. I love it.
Hey Matt, I just heard it. He just told me that the wings are going to be a little bit delayed.
Yeah, I'm fine with it. I'll eat those wings.
I heard that you can go till midnight.
I'll wait.
Okay.
I tasted the sauce last night on just regular chicken.
Yeah.
And it was amazing.
Okay.
I'll wait till 2 if need be,
Right,
but I'm gonna eat 12 of those
All
wings.
right, sweet. Hey man, like he's obsessed about these wings. I mean, listen. You can't let him down, man, because he will be into a shock. He'll be a dick the rest of the night if he doesn't get these wings, dude.
Oh no, he'll be fine. I'll get him those wings. He'll be fine.
What are you doing? Where are you going? Oh.
Oh, fucking duck.
What?
Yes.
I ain't kidding me, man. He's getting there, and I can't rush it.
No. I'm not rushing it.
This isn't Russian, dude.
Yep. Wait here. We're not going anywhere.
Yeah, we're here, dude.
I told you the wings would come in.
Yeah.
Oh, dude.
And when
Those
he
look
eats them,
so
he's
good.
gonna be coming. That looks good, yo. Here we are. Matt's wings are finally done, dude. This is beautiful. Look at that. Look at that. Oh my God. Steaming, piping hot. Yeah. That's gonna be the shit right there. He's gonna love it. If there's heaven on earth, Matt is about to have it right there, dude. All right, so here I am. I've got Matt's wings. He's been waiting all day for them. He prepaid for these wings. It's ridiculous. He went to the bathroom, and while I was in the bathroom, they came available. I've got them in my hands. Here he comes. Oh boy, watch the excitement unfold. He's walking up. He's walking up.
Thank you. Let's eat this.
Let's do it. All right, Matt. Come on, dude. Get it going. Get it going, dude.
Let me get it. Let me get it.
They're really good.
Alright. I got some napkins.
Start from over here.
You want me to start from over here? Alright. Right?
Coming out and take a picture of me.
These are way better. Oh. Wait.
There's a sauce. So that's why we gotta
Right
wait
here?
so long, huh? I need yours to be cooked.
That's genuinely.
You can't give me blood in there.
That's what you got. That's what you got right there.
I had jerk chicken last night.
Yeah.
These are 10 times better because this sauce is condensed over a little chicken wing instead of a whole piece of chicken. Oh, what is that? God damn it. Thank you, my friend. What is that? Scotch bonnet? What is that?
What's happening? Let me have one. Let me have one.